Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to install a Google Nest Doorbell. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Installing a Google Nest Doorbell, battery or wired, is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. So step 1 is gather tools and materials. That you'll need is Google Nest Doorbell, a power drill for mounting, a screwdriver, a smartphone with the Google Home app installed, and for the wired doorbells, a voltage meter or multimeter to check compatibility. So the step 2 is to check the compatibility of wired only. So ensure your current doorbell system is compatible with the Nest Doorbell. Use a multimeter to check your system voltage or consult your doorbell specifications. If your system isn't compatible, consider installing a Nest Doorbell battery instead of upgrading your transformer. Step 3 is to charge the battery. If it is the battery version, plug the doorbell into USB charging using the provided cable. Wait until the status light turns solid green, indicating a full charge. And then step 4 is to set up the doorbell in the Google Home app. Download and open the Google Home app. Tap the plus button in the top left corner, then select setup device and new device. Choose your home and follow on the on-screen instructions to add the doorbell. Scan the QR code on the back of the doorbell when prompted. Step 5 is to prepare the installation. Decide mounting location. Position the doorbell at the eye level for the best camera angle. Ensure it is within the range of your Wi-Fi. Mark holes. Use the included mounting template to mark where the screws will go. For angle mounting, use the optional ways included in the box. Number 6 is to install the mounting bracket. For wood, drywall or sliding, drill pilot holes. If needed, then secure the bracket using the provided screws. For brick, concrete, or use the included wall anchors. Drill the holes with masonry bit, insert anchors and screw the bracket in place. Step 7 is to attach the doorbell. Step 8, if for the wired only, is to connect the existing wires. Turn off your power to your doorbell at the circuit breaker. Disconnect the existing doorbell and connect its wires to the Nest Doorbell terminals. And once you do that, all you gotta do is test and finalize the setup. And you have optional adjustments as well. What you need to do is just simply check it out, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.